A lark bird soaring high. Are you never weary when you reach the empty sky? Are the clouds not dreary? Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sea? Goldfish, diving deep. Are you never sad, say, when you feel the cold waves creep? Are you really glad, say? Don't you sometimes long to sing and be a larkbird on the wing? Sir Lawrence Elma Tadema was a Dutch-born artist and poet who later settled in England. He was born on 8 Jan 1836 and died on 25th June 1920. So, students, now I will be explaining the poem to you. Larkbird, soaring high. Are you never weary when you reach the empty sky? Are the clouds not dreary? Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sea? In the first stanza, the poet tells us about the larkbird, talks to the bird, and asks him some questions about the way he lives, as he says he shouldn't be scared to fly all alone next to the clouds in the night, and that feels like being a small little goldfish in the sea. The rhyming words in this stanza are weary, dreary, high sky. The new words in this stanza are larkbird. A larkbird is a small brown bird known for its beautiful singing. Soaring means rising or flying very high. Empty means nothing inside. Dreary, sad. Goldfish, diving deep. Are you never sad, say, when you feel the cold waves creep? Are you really glad, say? Don't you sometimes long to sing and be a larkbird on the wing? In the second stanza, the poet speaks about the goldfish and asks the goldfish some questions. He asks the goldfish if he is really happy and if she actually enjoys the cold waves hitting her over and over again. Does she want to just be free and sing and fly like a lark? The new words in this poem are creep, means to move slowly, diving, jumping into water. The rhyming words in this poem are deep, creep, sing, wing. The central idea of this poem is so, student, the poem highlights longing and perspective, questioning whether the free lark ever feels lonely, and invites the goldfish, and whether the goldfish longs for the lark freedom, showing the theme of wanting to be something else. The value we get from this poem is contentment and understanding others' perspectives. Exercise. What does the lark do in the sky? The lark flies high in the sky. What kind of life does the goldfish have? The goldfish lives a safe but restricted life in water. What does the lark symbolize? The lark symbolizes freedom and joy.